Morning, Thursday, 10:50. Trading IPO FVRR. There is the banker is Citibank and JP Morgan. I think it's JP Morgan. Let me see. Yeah, JP Morgan, not JP Morgan Chase. They're offering 5.3 million shares. It's almost at 4.7. So we have an entry at 2660 average. So looks pretty good. I'm gonna try to see if it take out the high of 28. If not, I'll be using 2650 as a stop loss. Welcome to my channel. This is Catch a Trade, where from morning to 11 o'clock we try to catch a trade and generate $1,000 profit or more. So if you guys want to trade along with me, please shoot me an email, catchatrade@gmail.com. There's a couple of things that's happening out there. RH had a nice move up, then he pulled back since from 120s to 114 now. CRWT yesterday debuted and is doing pretty well today. Another recent IPO, RVLV, is doing really well today. It's up almost $4. Let's see if FVRR were do the similar move. Almost at 4.8 million shares. Now this has a smaller float than most of the IPOs. That's why I decided to do this thing. If funds are nibbling at this, this thing could really move. I don't know, it could move as high as 28, 30, who knows. So let's see how it goes. So far I like the action. Big candle followed by smaller step up candle. So let's see if we take out $28. Maybe that's where I try to sell some, then maybe buy back, or let's see how it goes. CEO is on CNBC talking. Sounds pretty good. Let's see if we could head towards 28. 5 million shares traded. A lot of interest in this thing, I guess. If it's so, maybe 28 might not be it. So I'm looking to hold longer period. I had to hold this thing for the last 15 minutes. But sometimes you have to hold longer period instead of scalping. I know a lot of people like to scalp, then you miss the bigger move. So I think it's gonna take out 28, which it just did. So which means that now next level is 28.50 to 29. There's no reason why you cannot get to 29.30s. Looking at it's almost at IPO offer price, 5.3 million shares. Looking great. Looks like this thing is a hold to see how high it could go. Sounds good. Stock is priced at $20, so my guesstimate is sometimes it doubles to 40. So let's see. So $30 is not out of question. I'll let you know how it goes. Now, a stock like this, it's already only 15-20 minutes into the open, and it's already traded IPO offering. So if this thing trades 15 to 20 million shares today, being that it's not many shares out there, this thing could really take off. Like I say, it's already 29, so there's no reason to take profit here. We're gonna have it, let it have a parabolic move. I want to see, wait until 11:30 to see how high it goes. Um, I wouldn't mind taking a little bit of off at $30. So, and they will give me a solid profit of almost more than $3. So right now 5.6, a lot of shares are traded. This could be one of those things where you could have a top blow off. It could be much higher. Maybe, I don't know. I'm waiting for it to have a blow off. Maybe I have a tremendous day if that's the blow off to 30 and plus higher. Let's see. I'm gonna have a little order out this sell at $30, but that might not be the end of it because this is making a parabolic move, so which means that it could really run. So I'm not gonna cancel my order. This thing could run. My anticipation, if this thing has a 10 million, 50 million shares traded today, I don't see why it cannot go to 35 today. So again, being first day, TD Ameritrade, which I'm trading at, Thinkorswim, allows you to only trade cash. So that's why I only have 2,000. I wanted to buy a little bit more, maybe 3,000 shares, but they didn't allow me. So 5.9 million shares, almost at 30. Let's see if it blows at 30 off. Then once it knocks off 30, it could go really run to 31, 32. So let's see. 6 million shares traded. Looks really good. Right back. This is how the IPO is traded. You get a good one like this, and with a small float, it has a good story. Market condition helps. You could really have a nice profit. In 15 minutes, I'm up $6,300, and I'm not in any hurry to sell. Neither is many people who got this stock, because this stock is behaving really well, so they're not selling. I think there's more people who wants to buy this thing, so that $30 is key level. Once it blows that 30, it could really move. Um, a lot of people got this under 28, 27, so they're not in any hurry to sell. So let's see if it does a blow off in a couple minutes. Again, if you guys want to trade with me, make quick money, catchatrade@gmail.com. Shoot me an email. This is a highly technical trading, so looks like that was it. So I'm gonna take a little bit off. Let's see what it does. I don't mind. Oh, looks like they're just letting it run. 29, 30 is the key. Once they gotta knock out that 30. Looks like it just did. There's no reason to sell. Holding on to it. This is a classic parabolic move. Next level is 31. This is gonna be a great stock to hold on to. 6.4 million shares, 1 million shares more than what's offered, which means that there's quite a bit of interest. Being its short amount of stocks out there, this thing can really run. No reason to sell. If this thing gets to 10 million shares, it could have parabolic move to 35. So you're witnessing one of those rocket ship. So that was a good thing I didn't sell on the 30. $8,200 in a matter of 15 minutes. We've seen this scenario before, so no reason to sell. Plenty of profit. Question is how much can I keep? So if it comes down to 30 level, I'll be taking a profit. Unless that happens, I'm letting it ride. A lot of interest in this thing, quite a high volume. 31, as we spoke, a minute ago it was $30, now it's 31. So let's see. I took a little bit off, 500 shares. I got 1,500 shares left. Might be, let's see what it does. Does it go up above 31? If it does, next level is going to be 32 right now. Yes, it is. It's setting new highs. 6.7. Yeah. This thing can run to 35, my prediction. It's only 6.7 million shares traded. I think it could really go, but again, you don't want to take the winner into a loser. So as I go, I'm gonna take a little bit off. This could be one of those stock that could be, I don't know, 35, even 40. My anticipation is maximum it'll do is $40. The reason being, offered at 20. This is, I'm talking from experience on IPOs. It's priced at 20. There's no reason why it doesn't double. Good IPOs, they sometimes double from the offering price of the public. So institution makes money, and the retail traders like us make money. So 35, I think it's a middle of the range. I'll be happy to take my profit there. I took another 500 shares off, so I have 1,000 shares left. Now, whether that was the top or not, we'll see. I could always buy it back if it pulls back to 29 area. So let's see what it does here. Great stock, great find. Okay, be right back. 31.50 is going higher. So I only have 500 shares left. Looks like he wants to come back down. I'm gonna take my profit here. So there we go. 2,000 shares out, 8,300 profit. I'm not gonna be too greedy. I was in this stock for 15-20 minutes, so $8,300. I can't complain. Always protect your profit. All right, guys. I hope you enjoy that. This is a live trading. You probably haven't seen trading of IPO in such a fashion. If you enjoyed it, click the thumbs up, subscribe. There'll be more live trading as we go. Have a good day, gentlemen.